Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to on the tablet, which is a Go edition of the Android system, which is Android Go, which is also a light version of Android, which is almost similar to the full thing, except it's more efficient. All right. So of course, if you want to do a factory reset, I'll show you to find the option and how to go about the process. All right, so before you do anything, make sure that you back up your device. Make sure that all of your critical stuff is backed up. If you have a memory card, that would be a good place to place them. Or of course, if you have an external flash device, you could do that as well. All right, so let's get straight into it. So first thing you want to do, guys, is find your settings option. So go to settings. All right, so once you're in your settings here, you'll see the interface. This is Android 15, of course, of the Go edition. And of course, this tablet is the dynamic allo tablet. Of course, it'll be similar between other similar versions. And of course, here we go. So the first thing you do, guys, is go down to system. There you go. So select system. All right, so once you're in system as seen here, you should see the information about your device. And if you're at the top of the screen, you're gonna go down and you should see the option here that says reset options. So go ahead and hit the reset options. All right, so once you're in reset options, there should be several options here. And of course, there's a bunch of stuff in here, but the key one here is erase all data, which is factory reset. So you're going to select that one. All right, notice here it runs you through the information to erase all your data on your device. All right, my email is also displayed, but of course I'll cover that. And I like how it highlights exactly what is going to factory reset. And it stated here your Google account is going to be remove system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data that's directly on the tablet. If you have something on a SD card, that will be preserved. However, internal storage will be erased. And this shows the associated Gmail address that you might be required on startup again to use to recover the device. All right, so it's very important that you know the password to it. If you do not know the password to this particular Gmail that's here, go ahead and go into your settings and remove the associated or log out of the associated account that's associated with your device until it's totally removed. Or it will require that you present this Gmail and the password. If you cannot find the password, it will be locked until you can provide the information. All right, so please do that for your security reasons. Only proceed when you're sure everything is backed up, and it erase all data. I'm not going to do it on this device. I'm simply demonstrating, so I'm just going to cancel. But for you, you just go when you're ready, go ahead and erase all data. And that's how to do it on this device. Do hope this was useful. And as always, guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.